You don't need that, Pinky. Kaden. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say Show Grandma how you roll over. Go ahead. Show her. Show Grandma and Grandpa. I bet they're dying to see you roll over. Go ahead. There we go. Wow. No problem. Oh. They don't want to see the back of your head.
Here comes the piano.